Hello everyone, hope you are all doing fine. So in this video I'll be talking about the do's and don'ts during the last few days of your entrance preparation. So this video I am making after consulting many toppers, their experience, and also based on my own experience. Though I am not a topper, but my experience will be useful for you people also. And this is not just for PG aspirants, it will be useful for any competitive exam aspirants. So now let's go into the video. So the first thing, there's a huge panic now among the aspirants. The pattern has changed, the pattern change panic. So everyone is panicked now. Only 200 questions, how long it is going to be, or what I'm going to do, oh my god, it's so going to be difficult like that. First of all, take this thought totally out of your mind, because it is the same pattern for all the 1,50,000 candidates, not just for you, and it has been announced on the same day for everyone. So this is the pattern unique for everyone, not just for you. So there is no need to panic at all. Take this thought totally out of your mind. Just focus on your preparation and keep moving, as we have very less time left. Then the second thing, don't start anything new right now at the last moment. For example, let's say if you have left out anatomy or any one subject, just leave it. No one would have completed 100% of the preparation, or 100% of all the subjects, 19 subjects. So don't waste time starting anything new. It will just waste your time. So in my case, for example, I just left out anatomy and I just answered the question that I did in the grand test. So that itself will give you at least 3 or 4 questions. So don't worry about the subject which you have left. Instead, concentrate more on the subjects which you are strong and revise. Revision is the key. Don't miss out anything that you have already studied. Just revise at a rapid pace. This will help you to score marks and also not forget anything that you have already studied. The next thing which I am going to tell, all of you would be already knowing and many would have already advised you, grand test. So don't forget to do your grand test. Weekly at least 2 grand tests, minimum of 2 grand tests you must be doing. And I hope this Marrow, PrepLadder are coming out with the new pattern, 200 marks, 200 question pattern. So if they have not come, please mail them to make the questions based on the new pattern. So you would be accommodated to the new pattern. So don't forget to make your grand test. This will help you a lot. But one thing is, don't be depressed based on the results of grand test, and don't compare it with any other. You just do it, keep doing it, and assess yourself where you are weak and where you are strong. This is only for that, not to compare with anyone else. That is the biggest mistake. Never do that. And one more thing, while doing the grand test, do it in the same time as the main exam time. I think it's 2 p.m. right this time. So do it in the same time. So when you keep your mind active at the same time daily in a consistent manner, so while doing the main exam, your brain will be active even at that time. So that is one of the key points to be noted. Then this one peculiar thing which I want to tell aspirants, many of them I have noted, they leave out the short subjects. They don't give much weightage, or they don't concentrate more. But remember, it's easy actually scoring in short subjects, and also you can finish it fast when compared to the large subjects. 5 short subjects you can finish it fast, and also it will give you more marks. So don't miss out on the short subjects. The next important thing, sleep. Don't compromise on your sleep. You should have minimum at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep. So many people in the last moment, they tend to sleep very less, like 4 hours, 3 hours. Don't do that mistake. Your brain also needs rest. So sleep at least properly 6 to 8 hours, and also food. Don't compromise on your food. Eat properly. And last but not least, never give up on hope. Self-belief is more important. Impossible is nothing. Just keep that in mind. Believe in yourself. Don't doubt yourself at any time. And this is the phase where you will be more depressed, or there will be so many thoughts striking you. What will I do if I don't get? Oh, I have already tried 2 times or 3 times. Forget all that. Have hope and belief in yourself and keep doing. Definitely you will achieve whatever you want, and you will reach greater heights. Already you have completed one of the prestigious degree, MBBS. So don't worry. You will do this also, and you will achieve many more things. All the best to everyone. Do well. Hope you find this video useful. And if you have found it useful, do share it with your fellow aspirants, and do subscribe to the channel so you can come back after your exam for some entertaining content. Right now, even I have my exams on May 1. So I'm also going to prepare. Bye. Take care. Do well. All the best.